What's up? Peace up. Peace out. Peace in. Peace. Whatever. Peace of peaceness. Alright, well. Just kind of did some more work, some more track work. Came off the Helix, cut all my rods. I got a bunch of extra rods to run the rest of it. Go around. And then I did the old wire loom over everything, plus hides wires like that one. See that? You know, the wires coming down, right down through the wire loom, right down underneath, about over to here. So I can feed everything. One step at a time, little by little. It's having a good old time. See, it's going 11 o'clock at night. Been screwing with it since about 1 o'clock. Just goofing around. Everything's soldered. We did some area up there that I didn't like. Check this. I want that little instead of just going right down, you know, right down to the nut. Hell no. Little custom look. A lot better than just nuts against nuts. Nuts is nuts. Stupid. There's no way. Looks way better. Alright, well. Tested everything. Everything seems to be running great tomorrow. I'm going to be working off of that end. And eventually I gotta cut a hatch through here. Gotta figure out what the hell I'm gonna do there. Because when this is done, it's gonna be, what, 8 inches high? So I can't crawl over anymore to do any work. So I'm gonna have to do a hatch. I don't know what to do, but I'll do it. Right. A bunch of stuff. Cool. Right on. It's a cool view. Peace out. Later. What's up? What's going on? So, cut this board out. So I got the end coming off here. Had to cut around all these wires and stuff, or bars. And I got this one here. So going to the track, it's gonna be with a switch right there. So it's gonna exit. It's gonna go behind, down up there, around. And then this switch here is gonna come off, and it's gonna exit down into the yard. And then you're gonna enter over here. Right over there, I haven't done that board yet. Right off the end of there, it's gonna come. One's gonna come from behind that corner, from all the way around, enter. And the other's gonna come up this way. It's gonna be kind of cool. So just figuring this board out was crazy. Had to get it in there. Look at all the cuts. Izzy, stop, please. What? You got all your toys in here. You're a goof. Just give me a minute. Snoopy. Beat him up. Get that dog. Take him down. Alright, anyhow. Back to the craziness. A lot of fun. See if I can get a good view of that. Probably not. Oh well. Sweet. Peace. Another day of doing something. Adios amigos.